Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this sleek and classy low bun look. This is a great protective style for all times of the year, but especially during those winter months when your hair gets really dry and brittle because of the cold weather. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. So this is the current state of my hair. It's in an old braid out. And at this point, I'm trying to figure out what to do with my hair, as many of us do. So I think I'm going to go with a protective style that's going to be easy and simple. So I'm going to pull Cutiepietresses 16-inch coily drawstring ponytail. I really do like how the hair comes in a drawstring bag. It allows for great storage when you are finished wearing the hair. At first glance, I thought the hair was of great quality. It was very soft and easy to detangle. I liked how the texture really complements my natural hair, and it can be purchased for an affordable price. I'm just showing you the drawstring that's attached to the hair. Here you have two combs, one at the top and one at the bottom. I'm also showing you the inner lining of the drawstring ponytail. It's a great way to protect your hair underneath. The packaging also comes with an instructional guide provided by the company. I thought it was a great resource for those girls out there who need some extra tips and tricks as to how to care for hair extensions. Now for tools that you're going to need for this hairstyle, you're going to need a rat tail comb. You'll need a spray bottle of water. You'll need a leave-in conditioner. Eco Styler is our holy grail, whatever type you prefer. I'm currently using the Softees Natural Curl Enhancer, but you can use any moisturizer of your choice. I'm going to use some hair ties, my bobby pins, and Got To Be glue is my go-to for trying to slick down my hair. The company also provided some eyelashes for those girls who want to kind of spruce it up even more. I'll also be using some oil to moisturize my scalp. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started.
tí mo ti ń gbá ẹ lágbo. Far away, but still I've been close. You should know I'm still holding on. Don't act like you don't love me no more. Can I come over? Can I come over? You telling me it's over? Why you telling me it's over? Girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah, I wanna roll up on ya. Can I roll up on ya? Yeah, can I roll up on ya? Cause you said you always pick up when I call you. You said you always hold me down when I call you. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me.
way, no way. You are the same. From the day that I knew that I could love you, when I saw your face, my life was changed. You rule the world. Diamonds just can't capture you, girl. No way, no way. You are the same. From the day that I knew that I could love you, I am your slave. I won't ever run away. There's a girl out a magazine. Everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She raised my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine. And her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She raised my queen. Queen on the throne, smiling, laughing, singing my songs. Okay, okay, I found a way. From the day that I knew that I would love you, when a heart gives.
Installing this ponytail was super easy to do. I'm so glad about receiving this product to review because I will be wearing this like all the time throughout the course of this year. If you're thinking about purchasing this hair, I've left the company's link in my description box. There you will find links for their Facebook page as well as their website where you can check out all the different products that this company offers. I've also left a special code for free delivery for your purchase.
Look and bow down. She raised.
I am loving this hair. I've gotten so many compliments since wearing it. Several of my students even told me that my hair was on fleek, so I guess I'm doing pretty good.
Bow down. She raised my queen. She raised in Knoxville, raised in California. She raised in Atlanta, raised down.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, love you so much. Bye.
She raised in Knoxville.